Are red geraniums perennials?
Yes, red geraniums are perennials, and they've been a delightful addition to my garden for years. Each spring, I eagerly anticipate their return, as they bring such vibrant color and life to my outdoor space.
Knowing they'll come back year after year adds a sense of stability and comfort to my gardening experience. See more 362 species in genus Geranium at monsteraholic.com. How to fix red geranium leaves.
Fixing red geranium leaves can be a bit tricky, but I've found that maintaining consistent care routines really helps. If the leaves start to look wilted or discolored, it's usually a sign that they need more water or nutrients. I've also learned to inspect for pests regularly, as they can sometimes be the culprit behind leaf issues. Pruning off any damaged or yellowing leaves has also been effective in promoting healthy growth and appearance.
What do red geraniums symbolize?
For me, red geraniums symbolize passion and strength. Their bold red blooms stand out in any garden, exuding energy and vitality. Whenever I see them, I'm reminded to embrace life with vigor and determination, just like these resilient flowers do.
What to plant with red geraniums?
I've found that red geraniums pair beautifully with a variety of other plants in my garden.
Some of my favorite companions for them include white alyssum, blue lobelia, and trailing ivy.
These combinations create stunning visual contrasts and complement the vibrant red blooms of the geraniums perfectly.
Are red geraniums edible?
While red geraniums are not typically considered edible for humans, some people use them in herbal teas or garnishes in very small quantities. However, it's essential to exercise caution and ensure that the variety you're using is safe for consumption, as some geranium species may be toxic.
Are red geraniums poisonous to cats?
Yes, red geraniums can be toxic to cats if ingested. As a cat owner myself, I always make sure to keep my geraniums out of reach of my feline friends to prevent any potential harm.
Are red geraniums poisonous to dogs?
Similarly, red geraniums can be toxic to dogs if consumed. Being a dog lover, I take extra precautions to keep my furry companions away from any potentially harmful plants in my garden, including geraniums.
Do hummingbirds like red geraniums?
Yes, hummingbirds are attracted to red geraniums. Their bright red blooms and tubular flowers are perfect for attracting these tiny, energetic birds. I always feel a sense of joy and wonder whenever I spot a hummingbird darting around my geraniums, sipping nectar from their flowers.
Do red geraniums repel mosquitoes?
While red geraniums have a lovely scent, they are not particularly effective at repelling mosquitoes on their own. However, some people believe that the scent of geraniums may help mask the scent of humans, making it harder for mosquitoes to find their targets.
How to care for red geraniums?
Caring for red geraniums involves providing them with plenty of sunlight, well-draining soil, and regular watering. I've also found that deadheading spent blooms encourages continuous flowering throughout the season.
Additionally, fertilizing every few weeks during the growing season helps keep my geraniums healthy and vibrant. Where to buy red geraniums?
I usually buy red geraniums from local nurseries or garden centers, as I prefer to see the plants in person before making a purchase. However, online retailers and mail-order catalogs are also great options, especially if you're looking for specific varieties or colors.
Will red geranium leaves turn green again?
If red geranium leaves have turned yellow or brown, they may not turn green again. However, by addressing any underlying issues such as nutrient deficiencies or overwatering, you can prevent further discoloration and encourage new, healthy growth.
Do red geraniums attract hummingbirds?
Yes, red geraniums are known to attract hummingbirds with their bright red blooms and abundant nectar. I always enjoy watching these tiny birds flit around my garden, drawn to the vibrant colors and sweet fragrance of the geranium flowers.
Do red geraniums need full sun?
Yes, red geraniums thrive in full sun, although they can tolerate partial shade in hotter climates. I've found that placing them in a location where they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day results in the best growth and flowering.
Do bees like red geraniums?
Yes, bees are attracted to red geraniums, especially when they are in full bloom. The nectar-rich flowers provide a valuable food source for bees, helping to support pollination in my garden and benefiting the ecosystem as a whole.
Do rabbits eat red geranium plants?
While rabbits typically avoid eating red geraniums due to their strong scent and slightly toxic nature, they may nibble on them if other food sources are scarce. To protect my geraniums from rabbits, I use fencing or repellents to deter these curious critters.
Do red geraniums bloom all summer?
With proper care and maintenance, red geraniums can bloom continuously throughout the summer months, providing a burst of color and beauty to the garden. Regular deadheading and fertilizing help prolong the blooming period and ensure abundant flowers until the first frost arrives.